Anwoll Controls. Hello everyone, this is Anwoll. Today we are going to talk about the ANW2332 differential pressure switch. Okay, here we go. ANW2332 differential pressure switch mainly control non-combustible, non-corrosive gas over pressure, vacuum and differential pressure state. The maximum measuring range is 5000. The medium temperature is -20 to 85 degrees Celsius. The protection grade is IP54. The lifespan reaches 1 million times and it has passed UL certification. Okay, let's move on to the second session, ANW2330 to product anatomy and principle. The upper port of the front is the wire inlet, and the two holes below are respectively pressure high in low inlet. Remove the screw on the cover and enter the inside of the product. In this area, there are pressure adjustment knob, wire terminal, and then the lower part is divided into pressure action area, silicone diaphragm, shrapnel structure, and other closed space. When pressure comes in, the diaphragm rises and transmits to the shrapnel structure, separating the lower contact and making contact with the upper contact. The third part, installation and precautions. First unscrew the cover screw and remove the cover. There are 3 terminals inside, marked 1, 2, 3 numbers. 3 represents the common end, 1 represents the normally closed, 2 represents the normally open. According to the actual situation corresponding to the terminal, here we demonstrate the 1, 3 normally closed terminal. Then turn the white knob in the red arrow indicates the current action pressure. After setting, close the cover. Attach a monitoring gas duct. The switch has 2 nozzle ports, respectively P1 and P2. P1 is the positive pressure end, P2 is the negative pressure end. Mainly use ventilation system such as negative pressure room, clean room, operating room, and other micro pressure environment.